So everybody knows that if you do not file your compliance in time, you have to pay certain penalties. But what if I told you that the government has come up with a scheme for private limited companies and other type of companies where they can file all their pending compliance in time without paying even a single rupee in penalty? Hello friends, I am Yash from Business Guru. We help entrepreneurs all over India in setting up their business and managing their compliance. We make videos like these so that entrepreneurs like you can have all the information so that nobody can take you for a ride. In today's video, I will tell you everything about company's Fresh Start Scheme 2020 so that you can take full advantage of it. So friends, as always, let's get started. This scheme is applicable to all companies registered under the Companies Act. So whether you are a private limited company, a one-person company, a Section 8 company, a public company or a listed company, this scheme is applicable to you. Having said that, there are few companies to whom this scheme is not applicable. A company which has got the final notice of striking off, a company which itself has applied for striking off or dissolution, a vanishing company, a dormant company or an amalgamated company cannot avail the benefits of this scheme. So for example, if you yourself have applied for dissolution or striking off of your company, you cannot avail the benefits of this scheme. We have also mentioned this list in the comment section below for your convenience. This scheme has already begun on the 1st April 2020 and it will be applicable till 30th September 2020. Friends, each and every form is covered in this company's Fresh Start Scheme 2020. So whether it's your annual return forms like AOC 4 or MGT 7 or your auditor appointment form like ADT 1 or your address change form like INC 22, everything is covered in this scheme. Having said that, two kinds of forms cannot be filed under this scheme. So forms relating to alteration of capital, which is SH7, and forms related to charge management, that is CHG1, CHG2, etc. are not covered in this scheme. Again, we are putting the list of the forms which are excluded from this scheme in the comment section below, so please have a look at them. So friends, a word of caution over here. Make sure you file a form known as CFSS 2020 after you file all your pending documents and compliance under this scheme. This form will be available after 30th September 2020 and will be available till 31st March 2021. The ROC may send you penalty and prosecution notices if you do not file this form. So make sure you file this form. Just to summarize, this scheme is applicable to all kind of companies except for just 5 companies. This scheme is applicable to all forms except for just 2 kind of forms, and this scheme starts from the 1st April 2020 and will end on 30th September 2020. Friends, this is a great scheme to file all your pending compliance without paying even a single rupee in penalty. Make sure you clear all your pending filings under this scheme and take full advantage and benefit of this. Trust me, I have seen companies handled by different consultants where companies have paid lakhs and lakhs in penalties. So guys, if any kind of filing is pending, this is the right time to file it. Friends, I hope you take full advantage of this scheme and file all your pending compliance within the time provided in this scheme. Please share this video with your friends who own companies so that even they can take advantage of this scheme. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Until next time guys, cheers.